Today, we're gonna unbox some baseball hats, so stick around. Hey everybody, and welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Roy, and today we're going to unbox some hats. And I'll give you a little backstory. I did a video about a year ago, maybe a little bit longer, about sublimating patches for baseball hats. And I had a really bad hat press. They suck. And the process that I used created great patches, but it was very time consuming. So I found that I didn't make hats and hat patches as often as I really wanted to. So I am going to get back into creating hat patches and putting them on hats. I have an unboxing and first impressions of a hat press that I'll be releasing soon. So I'm excited about that. The hats that I used to use exclusively were these types of vintagey looking hats. And my wife loves them, but I wanted to get some sort of hat that was more like a guy hat. And so I did a little bit of research, didn't have to do a whole lot, and came across Richardson 112s. And I searched to find out where can I get these hats at a wholesale price, or at least the least expensive price possible. I think they were like $18 or $10, $12, I don't remember, but they were expensive on Amazon. So I came across this company called AllayShirts.com. And I went online and they had hats for, let me look and see. They have the trucker snapback hats, which is what I wanted, for $5.99 each. They have, that was the gray with black that we have in here. And then I also got a couple of other colors that were $7.29 each. And if you spent $69, you got free shipping. So that's the best price that I could find online, $5.99 per hat. So let's open this real quick and see what they look like, what we've got. I will tell you, always be really careful when you're unboxing hats with a sharp instrument, because a long time ago, I destroyed a few. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, these are very nice. So these are, again, the Richardson original 112 trucker hats. Here, let me get them out. You are going to see some talk about lasers in some upcoming videos. We're going to introduce those to this channel. And so I believe that some of the leather laser engraved patches will look great on these. So I got 7 of these. I got one of these, and 3 of these. They're definitely, these are great hats that I'd been getting. I got them at different places. These are definitely guy hats though. And I think they'll look really good with some cool patches on them. So I will tell you, I'm going to include a link to Allay Shirts in the description. They were, without question, the cheapest that I was able to find these hats. I will tell you, it is an affiliate link. So if you click on that link, I might get a teeny bit of money for you buying through the link. It's a great way for you to not spend any extra money, but help to support the channel. So I would appreciate it if you end up doing that. I will tell you though, that I purchased these hats before I knew anything about the affiliate program. After I purchased them, they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to be part of the affiliate program, and I said yes. So I didn't buy these because of the affiliate program, and I'm not telling you about that because I might get 3 cents or 10 cents or whatever. I'm liking these hats a lot. They are very popular hats, and this was the cheapest place that I could find them. Free shipping over $69. All of them except for 2 were $5.99, and the other 2, these 2 were $7.99, and the other 10 that I got, which was a combination of these and these, were $5.99. Best price that I've found on the internet. And again, there is an affiliate link in the description to check these hats out. They are wonderful quality hats. They're very popular hats, and I can't wait to do some sublimation patches and some laser patches on these hats in a future video, as well as that upcoming video about the about the hat press and several upcoming videos about a laser. We'll talk about that later. If you haven't yet, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I certainly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Know what I mean? Know what I mean? See if they're any good. Ball hat.